So from a psychology angle, we might explain that actually family can be quite pivotal in thinking about our futures and our finances. So, if we think about younger people, and generally speaking, your sort of life sort of switches a little bit. So when you're younger, you're probably looking to gain stuff. So, status, money, security, kind of stable job, home. And then when you slightly get older, it switches over to keeping stuff or maintaining it, and less of the kind of gaining. So this sort of stuff will impact their kind of risk tolerance levels. So if you want to gain something, whether that's family, house, job, finances, then you've got to take some kind of risk. But if you want to keep something, then you want to minimize your exposure to risk. So if you think about the conversations that we might have in terms of money and how that might relate to family, if we're thinking about something I might want to gain, like a family kind of status, then it's all around sort of that risk is alive and you're happy to take it. So you can talk about risk and the fact that things, are not completely 100% guaranteed, and people will be open to that. But as you get older, I think the conversation sort of needs to switch a little bit around managing people's anxieties about what they might lose here. So, if you think about a financial advisor, they could use emotional imagery here to help motivate people to think of solutions or actions. So, for younger people, imagine what, your sort of future young children will want to feel like, or what things might derail them from feeling good or being able for you to enjoy time with them. That could be quite emotive in actually getting to think about the future in terms of family outcomes. And then for older adults who might already have kids, is how do you want them to remember you? What do you want to leave them for? How do you want to kind of like set them up? So in what terms do you want to need for them in terms of finances? Or how would you like them to feel about you in terms of how you're setting them up in terms of your financial security?